Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Shopify stuck on pending. So it is kind of sad if you're getting this issue, but fortunately there are a few things that you could do or basically know here to possibly fix this issue. But again, this is gonna be kind of annoying. It's going to delay some of the processes that you have right now, especially annoy some of your customers if they receive this issue here. So you might be wondering the reasons for it and the delay, and we are here to give you assistance. But if you observe the pending status next to your store's orders, these transactions often represent sales that haven't been credited to your bank account by the Shopify payment payout. Now, your customers may be curious about the status of their orders, given that the payment seems to be processing. It's reasonable to ensure you receive payment before fulfilling the orders because, we first have to make sure that we have the funds to actually create those products. Now, it's possible that you've selected a longer payout schedule in your settings. Now, to check your payout schedule, go to your settings here and you want to click on the payout option. So in this case, let's go ahead and go to payments here. And from here, you want to basically manage your Shopify payments. Now from here, we want to select our option here for payout. So in this case, I have the payout schedule and statement here. You can go ahead and click on edit here and you could change the schedule for your payout here. Now, additionally, consider following or checking the or using or checking out the following steps or to address this issue or this current issue on your shop. So you might want to consider contacting Shopify support to explain this situation with your pending transactions. Now, they can provide specific details and assistance to it. Now, verify your payment settings in your Shopify admin panel. So ensure your bank account information is accurate and up to date and make necessary updates and save them. Also, check your notifications for any requirements related to pending payouts. So go ahead and go to the top right here and go to alerts here and you should be able to see your notifications. Because sometimes there are going to be additional details or actions needed for this specific pending status. Now, you also want to basically review your payment provider schedule, such as Shopify payments. So different providers may have varying payout schedules, impacting the timing of your payouts. Now, also communicate with your customers to keep them informed about the payment delay. So send emails or update your communication channels, ensuring customers that their purchases will be shipped soon. Now, remember to contact Shopify support directly for specific assistance with your account. They can provide accurate information and help you solve the issue if the steps mentioned above doesn't offer sufficient insight. Now, reach out to support team through the help center for a closer look at the transaction. So usually when you click on the top right here, just next to my store here, you can go ahead and go to help center here and you could directly contact Shopify support here for any assistance. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.